Wow, my hair. I'm Rose. Welcome to my channel. As you can already tell, we do not have power. And then we're on a wall system, so we don't have water either. But we were incredibly lucky. If you haven't like seen the news or anything, there was a lot of damage. We had nothing. Like, we had a couple trees come down, but nothing was damaged other than my mom's car windshield. So we were incredibly lucky, but it is gonna be a interesting couple of days, especially considering I did not realize how often and like how much I use the internet. Like, I had no idea. So I've just been trying to find ways to kind of distract myself, keep myself busy. I've decided to start doing things that I've wanted to do for a while, but I kept putting off because I kept getting distracted by the internet and stuff like that. So we're gonna go take the dogs for a walk in the woods just to tire them out. They've been incredibly anxious since the storm a few days ago. So we're gonna go do that. Hopefully they'll just sleep afterwards because they've just been following us around the house crying all day. And then I'm gonna try and finish painting because I started this a few weeks ago and I haven't finished. We found out whatever paint the old people used, it's causing like bubbles. I don't even know if you can see them. Like, how does that happen? You can't even see it. Okay. So we have to wash the walls. The wall I already painted, I'm gonna have to wash and then repaint, probably sand it because like there are bubbles and stuff. So I'm gonna try and get this done. Get it done, get it over with, whatever. I have a bunch of art that I wanna do that I've just been putting off. Doing stuff, getting stuff done, trying to, I don't know, be productive while waiting for the power to come on. But I have an extremely mundane life, and so this was a perfect opportunity for a vlog because I haven't vlogged in a while either. So I'm gonna throw on a better shirt, some better socks, and then throw on my boots and we'll head out. Yeah. Now, lucky enough to have like family that are in the city that weren't hit too bad. They still have power. So me and my grandpa went out there for the night, Sunday night, and I was able to shower. Of course, I didn't think I would need to shower. I didn't think the power would be off that long because we don't have service out here and we had no clue what was happening. We were just waiting for the power to come on, thinking it would come on normally. So I did not bring my shampoo and conditioner and stuff, and my hair has been in a bun for the last like 2 days. So the next couple of days will be fun. I'm just gonna try and keep my hair brushed and hopefully it won't get too bad. But again, if my hair is my only real concern, like, I'm incredibly freaking lucky. So also, whoever designed this house did not think things through. My parents' bathroom is the lightest, brightest room in the house. Why? How? Like, that was not very well thought through. again. So I pretty much spent the rest of the day yesterday just chilling on the couch, did some reading, did some art. I helped my mom in the garden. We moved some rocks, we got some mulch in the garden, we found a whole bunch of toads, and that was pretty much it. We really did not do much yesterday because I realized the majority of my work is online. So I'm gonna try and take advantage of not having like YouTube and stuff to distract me. And I'm actually going to start working on some artwork because I have like a schedule, I have a plan. I'm gonna do 39 art videos. 39 vlogs for the summer, 26 art videos for my art channel. That is my goal. That is my plan. A bunch of those videos are actually going to be challenges with a friend, which will be like a whole studio vlog, whatever. But I want to get started on some of my other stuff, which is like fixing my old sketchbook, fixing my old artwork, trying to use up all my art supplies, just stuff like that. So that is my plan for today. It's not gonna happen. It's probably not gonna happen. I never go through with any of my plans for the days, but I'm gonna attempt. And as for painting my wall, I can't do anything until I can sand because the old people tried to fix holes and they didn't do it very well. So now I have like, it's so bad. There are spots where you can't even see. Here we go. So like there's spots like this where I don't even know how that happened. And then like I mentioned before, whatever paint they used or something, it wasn't letting my new paint like stick. So I have to wash the wall before I can actually paint it. And there's stuff like this. I don't understand what it is. And then again, I think they tried to fix a hole and they didn't do it right. So I'm gonna have to try and do that. There's a bunch of stuff that I need to patch. It's gonna be fun. And then the wall I have already painted, I'm gonna have to fix and then repaint. Although I did already have to do a second coat, so it's not a big deal, but it is annoying. Like, how does that happen? You can't even see it. Okay. Also, the house is freezing. There we go. It's actually warmer outside than it is in the house, so we're trying to get like the air from outside inside. But it is so cold in here and it just doesn't make sense. So I had this stupid thing on, but I guess it ran out of battery. Yep. Okay. I'm literally in the same like area as the router for the Wi-Fi and it's still not connecting to the Wi-Fi. Like, why? All right. Anyways, I'm gonna go charge this. But the plan was it lights up the room at least a little bit, like as much as my light right now does. So I was gonna come down here and do some work, but my table is wobbly because it's missing a screw, and whenever I like use the table, it shakes, which makes like clacking noises, and it's just annoying. So I'm trying to find the missing screw. I don't think that is it. I need screws like that, but I don't know where the missing one would be because I don't remember seeing one in here when I was unpacking. So, I don't know. I guess I won't be working down here. Actually, those aren't screws. That's not screws either. Okay. Well, never mind. Okay, so I've decided what I want to do right now is make some bracelets, try and use up some of my like bracelet stuff, but it's extremely boring and I need something to occupy me while I do it. So I unplugged my computer and I've plugged in the TV.